what we got, girl? So, girl, I was in Dollar Tree, girl, and I saw they got these fragrance rolling balls, girl. And, you know, I love my perfume, and they had some scents that I'm most definitely going to make. So they got a blueberry, which y'all berry bun cake. So I know. Then they got this strawberry one, which I compare that to strawberry pound cake. We is gonna try the blueberry scented one. I basically these was $1.25. But look at it, like a gourmand blueberry. It smells more of like a candy blueberry that makes sense. Like y'all know gourmand is more of like a sweet cakey bakery. Like it doesn't smell like a blueberry cake. It smells more on like a loud candy blueberry, which y'all know I was kind of thinking it was gonna smell more gourmand, but I still like this down though. I was gonna think it was more gourmand. Overall, I give it a 9 out of a 10. Like as y'all can see, I put some right there. Y'all can see a little bit of glitter, like it's very little, but I would most definitely buy this again for $1.25. And like this like blueberry scent is very loud. Like it smells like a candy blueberry. Like I feel like this would go good. It might go good with blueberry sugar pancake. Like y'all like blueberry bun cake is more of like the cakey blueberry, and blueberry sugar pancake is more of like a sugary blueberry. So I feel like it might go good with that. But basically, I almost definitely buy this again. Like for $1.25, basically that is good. Now, time to try the strawberry one, bestie. Bestie, let's smell this. Ooh. Okay, I can't really. Okay, so let's see, bestie. Hey, bestie. These smell more of like, it don't smell like the like gourmand. Like I was like hoping it would smell kind of like more like strawberry gourmand. This smells more of like a summer strawberry. So this smells so bad. See, this actually smells good. Okay, because at first I was kind of like, I really don't get nothing. But it smells now. This is more like the sweet strawberry. So it's still summertime, and I'm still going to wear Bath and Body Works like strawberry soda. So I know that this would go good with this. And when fall comes, blueberry sugar pancakes will go good with this, bestie. Overall, I give these a 9 again. But like it has glitter in it, but it don't show as much glitter on there. Like, girl, and girl, let me know, girl, if you are going to try these Dollar Tree perfume like fragrance.